Alright, so let's see how to create a beautiful ER diagram using MySQL without using even single line of SQL command. Okay, so for that what you have to do is you have to come to database tab and you have to click reverse engineer. If you are going to click it, you will see this navigation, and on this navigation it is going to guide you through how to connect to RDBMS server, and then from there you have to select a schema, and then from the schema it is going to automatically generate a beautiful ER diagram. How it will do it, let's see. So first you have to follow the step where you have to connect to RDBMS or your local server, local MySQL server. Then click next. It is going to connect to your MySQL server. It says that execution completed successfully. Then if you are going to click next, it will ask you to select a specific schema. So we have Sakida schema. So that is key. On this schema we have a lot of objects. So let's see the ER diagram on these objects. Okay, so I have selected it and clicking next. After clicking next, it is going to retrieve all the object information from the specific schema or database. Then further, if we are clicking next, it will tell you about all the informations available. It will tell you the information about all the available objects in the schema. So it has total 16 objects, in which we have around 7 objects which are view object, total 16 table object, 7 view object, then 6 routine object, and we have 6 triggers as well in the schema. Okay, so if you are going to execute it, it is going to create an ER diagram in the background, and the moment you click next and finish, you will see a beautiful ER diagram created for the given database. Okay, so you can see this is the ER diagram which has been created for the given database, right? So in this we have all the different tables available and their relationship with every other table. Okay, so you can see this ER diagram and then copy paste or export it and then can use it for your projects. All right, so thank you, and see you in the next discussion.